Greetings, dear friends. Welcome to my channel. Are you eager to whip up some vibrant cookies? Look no further. In today's episode, we'll craft these delightful rainbow cookies, boosting a soft center and a satisfyingly crunchy edge. These lively treats are sure to add a splash of joy to any day. Moist, flavorful, and layered with colors, these timeless rainbow cookies are a delightful snack. Trust me, you're in for a treat with these irresistibly pretty and delicious delights. Don't hesitate any longer, let's dive right in. In a mixing bowl, combine butter and sugar. Mix until smooth and lump-free, being sure to break down as best you can. Gradually add the egg and continue to mix until smooth, scraping down the sides of the ball as needed. Add in vanilla extract. Mix until combined. Add the flour and slowly mix until combined, scraping down the sides of the ball as needed. Once the flour is combined, add in baking powder, baking soda and salt. Mix well and set aside. Flour your work surface and knead the dough until smooth. Divide the dough into 5 portions. Dye the dough with food coloring by placing a quarter teaspoon of dye on the ball of dough and kneading it until it is one solid color. Wrap each portion in a plastic wrap and rest it for 30 minutes in room temperature. Next, unwrap the dough and roll out the dough with a rolling pin until it's about 6 mm thick. Repeat the same with the other doughs. Place the flattened dough one on top of the another carefully. Roll the dough around, pinching together any cracks that form, cutting off any excess dough. Repeat with the rest of the colors. Once complete, chill for 30 minutes. Slice cookies about a ½ inch thick and place on a parchment paper-lined baking sheet. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 20 minutes or until the bottom has browned slightly. for decorating the cookies is totally based on one's imagination. Either it can be served plain or it can be decorated according to one's preferences. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to all my dear friends for joining me today. I trust that crafting these vibrant rainbow cookies has brought you joy. If this culinary journey has indeed brightened your day, I kindly ask for your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. Your encouragement is the fuel for my culinary passion, and I deeply appreciate each and every one of you. Stay tuned for another delightful recipe coming your way soon. Until then, take care and stay safe. Happy baking!